Now I guess the first thing to do is to install the PDM framework Visual Studio template. So let me fire Visual Studio quickly here. And I'm using Visual Studio 2019, and this would be also possible with Visual Studio 2022. Now these templates will allow us to import a set of boilerplate templates that would make the process of developing this add-in very easy and quick. So I'm going to just continue without any code, just to show you how you can download the extension or the templates from the marketplace. So I'll go up here and I type in extensions. And I'll go to manage extensions, and let's go to online, and then in here search for I'll just type in SOLIDWORKS PDM project template, and it should pop up, or SOLIDWORKS PDM add-in project template. So it should be this one here. So I'm just going to click on download, and then Visual Studio is telling me that the changes will be scheduled and that I need to restart Visual Studio in order for those changes to take effect. So let me close this and then close Visual Studio. And then the installation should start immediately. Alrighty, the template has been installed. Let me just click on close. And that's how you install the project template.